Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.04 button cluster administrative type 1. Column B on the sheets is dedicated to macro buttons. Administrative sheet clusters start near row 7, generally speaking. Elevation sheet clusters start near row 15. On the cost workup sheet, clusters start near row 27. The administrative sheets are 1. The preview sheet if it is not hidden. 2. Table of contents. 3. Project cost summary, which equals tab name PRJT COST SMRY. 4. Instructions. 5. Notes. 6. Directory of range names equals tab name DIR RANG NAMES. 7. Directory of macros equals tab name DIR MACROS. 8. Range name dash macro cross reference equals tab name RANGE NAME MACRO XREF. 9. Tables, definitions, abbreviations equals tab name TBLS, DEFS, ABRV. 10. Project dimensions equals tab name PRJT, DMNS. The project dimension sheet is located after the elevation sheets. All 10 sheets are not in every cluster. The active sheet is not included in a cluster. Or switch sheets by using the worksheet tabs along the bottom of the window. This example 1.2.04 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.05.